Hi students, once again I am here with the same chapter, Weather, Climate and Adaptation for class 7. Today we are going to know about the adaptive features of tropical rainforest. You have already learned about what is adaptation and different kinds of adaptation like behavioral, structural and physiological adaptation. So today's topic of the video is what is the adaptation or adaptive features of red-eyed frog. Students, you might be afraid when you see this red-eyed frog. Its features makes us frightened. They are actually nocturnal and amphibian or animal and sleep during the day. That means they are inactive during the daytime. The daytime they sleep and during night they become active. They are basically the carnivorous animals. So red-eyed frog is found in tropical rainforest. They are majorly found in South America and Central America. It can be found in India, in Western Ghats and Assam. So these are the locations where these red-eyed frogs are found. They are mainly arboreal amphibian, which means that they are tree-dwelling animals. That means they most of the time spend their life on trees. So that is why they are arboreal. And why they are amphibian, as we know that what do we mean by amphibian? The organisms or the animals, those who live in land, in water as well as on land. So these frogs, when they are small, they are living in water, and when they grown up, most of the time they spend their life on the branches of trees. And their long limbs allow them to climb and swim in water, climb on the trees and swim in water. And these organisms having long tongue, long sticky tongue. So red-eyed frog also having very long sticky tongue to help them catch onto their prey for an easier hunt. As we know that frog are having sticky tongue, and that sticky tongue help them to catch their prey easily. Right? Now, if we talk about the eyes of the frog, as we know that red-eyed frog is their frog is red, but it also having third eyelid that is called nictitating membrane. This membrane allows them to shield their eyes from danger while still being able to see. That helps them to protect themselves from the predator, as they are pretending that they are sleeping, but they can able to see from that third eyelid. So that is also one of the adaptive feature of red-eyed frog. Now, if we talk about their color, they are basically green color, but they also having blue and creamish color. So they are able to hide their blue and cream markings when they sleep, so that they camouflage against the leaves for better protection. And they are also able to change their colors depending on their mood or environment, which offers a more secure lifestyle. So that means they can hide themselves, they can blend with the surroundings, matching their color, as you can see in this picture, right? So they can change their color also. If we talk about their lifespan, these red-eyed frogs' lifespan is more than 5 years, right? Now, as just we have talked about their red eye, now we see how this red eyes they use as their defense mechanism, because they use their bright colors as a defense mechanism. The coloring of their eyes also plays a large part in their survival. What they do, actually the bright red cause their predators to second guess the prey and give the red-eyed frog a chance to escape. Once their eyes latch onto their prey, they often are startled by the shockingly bright color, which cause a ghost image to be left wherever the frogs are there. So that is how these adaptive features help these red-eyed frog to survive in tropical rainforest. So students, these are certain adaptive features about the red-eyed frog which we are talking about. So now you must have understand that what is a red-eyed frog, where it is found, and what is their adaptive feature. Correct? So thank you very much. Go with this video and write the notes.